Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to give you the lowdown on whether they're worth your hard-earned cash. Today, we're taking a closer look at the HP Laserjet Pro MFP M428fdw. A powerhouse all-in-one printer that promises to handle all your printing needs with ease. Let's get into it. The HP Laserjet Pro MFP M428fdw is a multifunction monochrome laser printer that's designed to be a workhorse for your home or office. With printing, scanning, copying, and faxing capabilities, it's got everything you need to stay productive. One of the standout features of this printer is its wireless connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi Direct, you can easily connect your smartphone or tablet directly to the printer for seamless mobile printing, even without a local network connection. And with support for printing from email, USB, and network folders, you can print from virtually anywhere. Navigating the printer's functions is a breeze, thanks to the intuitive 2.7-inch color touchscreen display. Whether you're printing, scanning, copying, or faxing, you can handle tasks quickly and easily with just a few taps. But it's not just about convenience. This printer delivers where it counts in terms of performance. With a print resolution of up to 4800 by 600 dpi and printing speeds of up to 40 pages per minute, you can expect crisp, clear documents in no time. And with features like automatic duplex printing and a 50-sheet automatic document feeder, you can save time and paper by automating repetitive tasks. Plus, with a 250-sheet input tray, you won't have to constantly refill paper during big print jobs. In terms of energy efficiency, the HP Laserjet Pro MFP M428fdw is a winner too. It's designed to save up to 22% energy over prior products, with features that help reduce paper waste and avoid unnecessary reprints. Overall, the HP Laserjet Pro MFP M428fdw is a solid choice for anyone in need of a reliable, high-quality printer that can handle a variety of tasks. With its wireless connectivity, intuitive controls, and impressive performance, it's sure to be a valuable addition to any home or office setup. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy printing!